Hello student, welcome to our class or Imran class for account. We are solving board HSC board question for subject bookkeeping. Chapter is partnership final account. We are solving practical problem question number 9, page number 61. This question is little bit different because in question they are just asking for prepare balance sheet and partners current account only. So we are going to prepare only balance sheet and current account. Now we can just go through the question. We have a partner, sun and moon. Their sharing ratio equally. And in question, trial balance given, balance sheet and current account detail is there. So we had put assets marking for the entry, assets, land asset, furniture asset, machinery asset. Machinery, there is some hidden adjustment. Date is given. We will discuss later on. Goodwill asset, wages, trading, but no need to pass the entry, but some adjustment is there. So we had put a tick mark. Then over here, current account of moon is given here. So this current account is on debit side. So remember student, it is on debit side. Then 8% debenture, hidden adjustment is there. Interest we have to calculate. Then other adjustment is, other entry is there. We have just put a tick mark, assets liability. Now on credit side, capital is there. So directly we have to put in the liability side balance sheet. Current account or sun is given on the credit side. So we have to appear this entry in the current account. Another entry is the liabilities. Now we will just see the adjustment. There are total 7 adjustments. Some are information and some are adjustment. So let's start with solving the problem. Trial balance entry is there posted. We will discuss with the adjustment. The first adjustment is partner entitled to get a salary 6,000 per annum in addition to their profit and loss sharing. Now this salaries have to be given to all the partners. We have two partners, sun and moon. So 6,000 for sun and 6,000 for moon. So this you have to show in current account. The current account we have to show on the credit side by salary 6,000 sun column and 6,000 in moon column. Only one effect because we are not preparing P&L. The second adjustment is depreciate land, furniture, machinery. 10%, 5%, 3% respectively. So we have to go in your asset side. We have to deduct from the furniture, machinery, land and building. But one problem is there for machinery. Because machinery we had purchased this 40,000 on 1st of July. So we can see the adjustment part. The machinery which was purchased on 1st July. That means that is for only for 9 months. So we have to calculate depreciation only for 9 months. So below that we had calculate the depreciation 40,000 for 3% for 9 months. So the depreciation figure is 900. So below the machinery we have to deduct 900. So we had deducted from furniture, machinery, land and building the depreciation amount 900 for furniture, 900 for machinery and 4,000 for land and building. Second effect we no need to pass because we are not preparing profit and loss account. We will go through the third adjustment. The third adjustment is interest on capital. Again, this interest we have to calculate on the capital amount. The capital amount is 33,500 for sun and moon. Again, this will appear in current account only. So we can see in current account credit side because it's income for the partners. तो partners में credit side लिख रहे हैं हम लोग. By interest on capital 1675. So no need to pass the second effect because second effect will appear in profit and loss account. The fourth adjustment is closing stock. Again only one effect because we are not preparing trading account. So we have to pass this effect only in balance sheet asset side. Closing stock 60,743. The fifth adjustment is wages. Include 1,000 as an advance. It's like a prepaid. So again only one effect because we are not preparing trading and prepaid advance wages will appear in balance sheet asset side. Sixth adjustment interest due but not paid 800. This interest हमें भरना है due but not paid यानी outstanding we had not till yet paid. So we are going to pay in the future date. So it will appear in balance sheet liability side. Only one effect because we are not preparing P&L. Seventh again is the information part that is a net profit. We are not prepared the P&L. They had directly given the amount of net profit 38,113. So this will affect in your current account credit side. Again, it's an income for the partners. So we have to show in current account credit side by net profit. हमने डिवाइड कर दिया है रेशियो में इसको इक्वली. ₹1 कम ज्यादा है तो ₹1 कम ज्यादा हमने कर दिया है. सन को हमने दिया है 19056 और मून को हमने दिया है 19057. तो इस तरह से हमारा पूरा पोस्टिंग खत्म होती है. आपको करंट अकाउंट सबसे पहले आपको करंट अकाउंट बंद करना है. पहले एक एक कॉलम लेंगे, सन का कॉलम लेंगे, सन का डेबिट और सन का क्रेडिट. सन का क्रेडिट का टोटल है 32,731 और डेबिट में कोई एंट्री नहीं है सन की. दैट मीन्स यही बैलेंसिंग फिगर होगा और इसको हम नाम देंगे टू बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन 32731. सेम वे पे फिर मून को हम क्लोज करेंगे. मून का क्रेडिट का टोटल है 26,732 और डेबिट का टोटल है 4,000. तो 26,732 से मैंने 4,000 को माइनस कर दिया तो मेरा बैलेंस आया 22,732. इस तरह से आपको ये दोनों इफेक्ट अभी पास करने हैं. जो बैलेंस निकाला है हमने टू बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन इन करंट अकाउंट, ये हम शिफ्ट करेंगे बैलेंस शीट में लायबिलिटी साइड बिलो द कैपिटल. इसके बाद हमारा एक हिडन एडजस्टमेंट रह जाता है, इंटरेस्ट 8% डिबेंचर. उसको हम खत्म करते हैं. डिबेंचर एसेट साइड में दिया है मेरा, यानी ये एसेट से फ्यूचर इनकम है, इन्वेस्टमेंट है मेरा, तो इसमें मुझे इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा. बट ये डिबेंचर जो हमने खरीदा है, ये डिबेंचर हमने 1 अक्टूबर को परचेज किया हुआ है. तो इसका मतलब है हम सिर्फ 6 महीना यूज करने वाले हैं इसको. तो वर्किंग नोट में आप देख सकते हैं 8% डिबेंचर वॉज परचेज ऑन 1 October 18. So we have to calculate interest only for 6 month. तो 8,000 पे 8% 6 महीने के हिसाब से आता है 320. तो इसको हम इंटरेस्ट डिबेंचर के नीचे ऐड कर देंगे और टोटल लिख देंगे 8320 आउटर कॉलम में. तो इस तरह से मेरी बैलेंस शीट की भी एंट्री पूरी हो जाती है और लास्ट में आपको बैलेंस शीट क्या करना है, टैली करना है. और टैली फिगर है 168263. होप सो देयर विल बी नो डाउट. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.